Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the basics of Adobe Photoshop's interface. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. When you first open Photoshop, this is what you will see, the main workspace. It can look a bit overwhelming, but we'll break it down step by step. At the top, we have the menu bar. This contains all the essential commands and options you will need, such as File, Edit, Image, Layer, Type, Select, Filter, 3D, View, Plugins, Windows, and Help. Right now, we are only learning basics, but later we will learn each and everything in detail. On the left side, you will find the Tools panel. This is where you can access tools for selection, cropping, painting, drawing, and more. Each tool has a fly-out menu with additional options. Just below the menu bar is the Options bar. This changes based on the tool you have selected and provides additional setting for that tool. As you can see, when I select Crop tool, the settings in the menu bar changes, and if I select Eraser tool, you see completely different settings in the option bar. This is how it works. On the right side, you will see various panels like Properties, Adjustments, Layers, and more. You can customize which panel are visible by going to the window in the menu bar and checking or unchecking the panels you need. For example, if you need shapes on the interface, you will select Shapes and it will appear in the right side. You can also move and dock panels to suit your workflow. Simply click and drag the panel tab to reposition it. When you see a blue highlight, you can dock the panel in place. At the bottom of the interface is the status bar. This gives you information about your document, such as zone level and document size. That's it for this basic introduction to Photoshop's interface. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into using some of these tools and panels. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.